The Indian Army is gearing up for another winter along the line of actual control. The standoff with China along the LAC continues to simmer with no resolution in sight, with the last round of military talks on October 10 also ending in a stalemate. Soldiers are undergoing aggressive training, vigorous exercise, and meditation in the rough climatic conditions and terrains of the eastern sector in Arunachal Pradesh. In the ongoing drills in the Tawang sector, soldiers have been demonstrating their battle skills. Ever since border standoff between the Indian and Chinese militaries on May 5, 2020, both sides have gradually enhanced their presence by deploying tens of thousands of soldiers and heavy weaponry. Each side currently has around 50,000 to 60,000 troops along the LAC. Months after the induction of M777 ultralight howitzers and the Swedish Bofors guns, India has deployed upgraded L-70 anti-aircraft guns in the high mountains along the LAC. These are aimed at significantly boosting the Army's overall firepower.
We have adequate forces that are available in each sector to deal with any contingency that may arise. And we are also practicing and rehearsing on various contingencies that may come about.
The upgraded L-70 guns were positioned around 2 months ago as part of a series of measures to bolster the Army's operational preparedness. These guns can bring down all unmanned aerial vehicles, unmanned combat aerial vehicles, attack helicopters, and modern aircraft. The gun has enhanced target acquisition and automatic target tracking capability under all weather conditions with high-resolution electro-optical sensors comprising a daylight television camera, a thermal imaging camera, and a laser rangefinder. The gun is also equipped with a muzzle velocity radar for enhancing the accuracy of fire. It also has the ability to be integrated with tactical and fire control radars, which gives it more flexibility in the deployment. India has also deployed 3 regiments of the M777 howitzers along the LAC. The highly portable guns can be swiftly deployed and redeployed for missions using the Boeing CH-47F Chinook helicopters. The howitzers, which have a range of 24 km to 30 km, will be part of the light artillery regiments. The M777 is an advanced piece of artillery that will meet the operational requirement of the Army. It also stands out for its mobility, precision, rate of fire, and ability to hit targets in difficult mountainous terrain. India also has a sizable number of Bofors howitzers in the eastern sector. They are expected to be the backbone of the Army's firepower capability in the region. Bofors, with a range of over 35 km, can fire 3 rounds in 12 seconds. It has the ability to target enemy posts at close to 90-degree angle. Several Army units, including those of the Integrated Defended Locality, are now undergoing strenuous physical training and military drills on the daily basis. The Integrated Defended Locality is a specialized unit comprising various arms of the Army, including infantry, air defense, and artillery. A team of the Army's anti-tank squad is also part of the drills. This squad did a missile firing demo in Tawang sector to display its ability to destroy armored targets. These displays of might by the Army are sure to inspire confidence at a time when China is taking claim to borders along Arunachal Pradesh. A Federal Report.